guys, this is another video of Rangers Town. Here we are. Today. Snowstorm. Snowstorm. Oh my God. Come on, let's go. Whoa. Come on. Why is it 360? 360. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go upstairs. See how much snow there is. Huge snowstorm. Oh my God. Whoa. Wow. You can't even see it because it's so much. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can open the window. I'll probably get snow in the house. My mom don't get mad at me. Oh my gosh. Holy moly. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh. Gosh. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. How? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go into my room. That's even worse. Holy moly. Holy moly. You can't even see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 1 minute, let me see this. Oh my gosh. Wow. Alright, so literally like the snowstorm, like literally I woke up at 6:13 to see this. So I'm up at 6:13 and to just see this snowstorm, like literally my alarm goes off and I'm like, okay. And then I literally go downstairs and it's like pouring snow. And yeah. My dad said it's 10 inches and it looks like now it's like 12. It looks like it's a foot already. Hopefully we can get some footage with the GoPro. And yeah. That would be pretty cool. Let's see. Oh my God. Like seriously. Oh my gosh. I can't even like I didn't even come up here yet. And I'm like, oh my gosh, the snowstorms already came and then like oh my God. Whoa! It's the same one. All the snow is in here. Wow. This is really cool. If you live by us and if you live like by us and you have a snowstorm like this, then just comment down below and yeah. And subscribe, of course, for these guys. Subscribers. Yes, please. Sugar. Right? You're gonna subscribe for. Here, these are their names. What? Oh, you're Travis. You're Curtis. You're David, and you're Joannis. And yeah. And what is your name? Your name is.